Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2016 GLE 350 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath it's a 3.5 V6, pushing out 302 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. For wheels, we've got 19-inch 5-spoke alloys, brushed aluminum running boards, an espresso brown ginger beige MBTEX interior with an anthracite poplar trim, sunroof, trailer hitch, GLE 350 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, clean set of all-season floor mats, fold down rear seats, cargo cover, premium 1 package with blind spot assist, Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, power windows, heated steering wheel controls, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, pedal shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, parking assistance package with surround view backup camera with front and rear sensors, lane keep assist, blind spot assist, hard keys for a media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, dynamic selects for different driving patterns, touchpad and wheel for our infotainment center. This GLE has 62,036 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLE 350 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.